Education is crucial to success in life, and a good teacher can instill the love of learning, ignite the imagination, and inspire hope. Roxanne Malcolm Brown has been doing just that for her students at Melrose Primary and Junior High for the last 13 years.
Teaching has allowed me to have an impact beyond just the persons who I meet along the street, who I meet at home, but that the students who I provide insight to, when they go out, they touch the lives of many other persons.
Roxanne teaches literacy and numeracy to students involved in the Digicel Foundation's enrichment program. Melrose Primary has been participating in the program since its inception in 2009, benefiting from an enrichment room which seeks to address the literacy and numeracy gaps among students functioning below their grade level.
It is a room where they find that learning is fun. So it's just that, oh, we'd love to go to the enrichment room, or as they say, the Digicel room. They consider this classroom that is fun, a classroom that is interactive, and a classroom that allows them to explore.
At Melrose Primary, the enrichment room has had a success rate of over 90%, increasing the students' reading levels by 1 grade or more in just 1 academic year.
The enrichment program has been really monumental in causing our students to do well in their exams, the grade 4 literacy test, as well as the grade 6 achievement test. And just generally in their own classwork that they have been given, we find that they have improved in comparison to their counterparts that are not a part of the program.
Impacting nearly 200 schools island-wide, the enrichment program and the extraordinary teachers in charge have transformed the lives of countless students across Jamaica. For Roxanne, these changes have made all the difference in her life as a teacher.
A mother came and she was in tears, and just recalling the things that she said to me, you know, it's making me emotional. Her son did the GSAT exam and he passed the exam. He passed for St. Andrew Technical High School, and she was so elated, and she came up and she was like, "Miss, I have to thank you so much, because when my son came to this room, he couldn't read. He didn't want to learn because he felt intimidated by just being in the larger classroom settings with the other students. So he was introverted, and he was also quite remedial in his reading as well as his numeracy. And she said that coming to the room was like a godsend for him, because it was in him coming to the room that he gained confidence and he became so interested in learning. But it wasn't about her thanks. It wasn't about her thanks that really moved me. What really moved me was that this child was going to leave Melrose and he was going to go to St. Andrew Technical High School believing in himself, knowing that he has the ability to do and be anything that he wants to be.
To learn more about the Digicel Foundation and its enrichment program, please visit their website at www.digiceljamaicafoundation.org.